Nathan, good morning.
L.
Saan ang L?
L.
Very good. Saan ang letter S?
S.
S? Turo mo ang S.
S. Need S.
Yeah, that's kain S. Why is the S?
Need S. S.
Very good. Saan ang letter E?
Need E.
Very good. Ang letter O.
Need O. O.
Saan?
Need O.
Saan ang letter O?
O.
Very good. Magandang araw, everybody. May pagala po tayo today. Patayin ko lang tong kanin. Nagsaing na ako kay para mamaya pagbalik po natin, i-garlic rice ko po yan.
A, B, C, D, E, I, J, O, B, so, L, B, so, S, T, U, E, F,
Kagigising ko pa lang, antok na ako. Parang namamaga naman mukha ko, guys. Ano naman yan? Good morning.
What is the ano no naman yun?
That I look pregnant now.
Ay, maybe that's because you are pregnant.
We are here. The last time we were here, Mahal, you remember?
It was less cold.
No, Mahal, the last time we were here, you remember? When was that? Huh? I was still pregnant.
You were buying sunglasses. Where are they? You bought sunglasses here.
At home?
You don't wear them.
I forget. We are back! Nandito po tayo sa Batavia Stat. Wow! Mga pa-outlet store po to dito. Hala, Mahal, it's not there anymore. Where I bought my sunglasses. Bekan?
No, Mama, oh.
Hawak kamay?
Mama.
Hawak kamay. Dali, dali. Lakad-lakad na naman tayo, guys. What? What will you? Ethan?
Sita.
Sitan? Come on, Sita. L'Oreal. You miss your Mahal?
No.
Nadamay lang yan siya. Ay gusto mo gumala ng buntis.
Most boring of shopping centers. Only fashion.
Only fashion. Boring? Sure ka boring, Mahal? How about this? Is that boring? You want that, right? That kind of stuffs?
How about that? You cannot wear that, Mahal. You're pregnant.
Huh? Where are you going? Ah, chocolates. Meron din silang pa-triumph dyan. Oh. Ito po yung paboritong mga chocolate ni Oma, no? Lind. Bila chocolate na tanyo? Yeah, mandayon. Chocolate milk? Tingnan nyo, guys, 32 euros para sa 1 kilo. 1.2 kilogram ng chocolate. Yeah, Mama is here. Fabienne, Shapot. Paano ba pagbasa, guys? Pasok tayo sa Skechers, guys. Kay si Daniel, he needs a new shoes. Si Nathan din. May mahanap po tayo na magandang sapatos. Do you like that?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Gabi?
It's different than the other Skechers.
Yeah, I like this. Sige, Mahal. Try if they have 46. Ipakuha po natin yung size ni Daniel, 46. So, you like it?
Tighter than I thought they would be.
Ang anak ko, guys, ayaw nang hubarin. Nakakita ng sapatos. Come. Nakahanap siya. 2 sapatos talaga si Daniel, guys. Oh, ang isa din ang anak ko. Kakaiba itong pamilya ko today, Wow. May pailaw kasi. Sana all. 2 shoes. And then Nathan also.
4 shoes.
Why 4 shoes?
Because I bought 2 pairs.
Nako.
Oh.
Are we going home now?
Hey, kom eens hier. Dit is een sticketje onder je. Kom eens hier.
Ito po yung mga pastor nila. Oh. Meron silang Adidas. Ajax din. Mga sabon siguro dyan na Ajax. Ah, Kuyawang Daniel Jud. Oy, ganado man. Ito yung mga kaadikan niya ng mga parelo. Ajax. Mga damit ang mga binibenta nila. Colombia. Nung huling punta po natin dito, grabe kabisi nun kay ano pa, summer po noon, no? Mas maganda ang weather. Villasitan? Villasitan?
They have a pizzeria here.
Yeah, you want pizza? Hi vlog! May nakilala tayong Pinay dito guys. Kilala niya daw tayo. Magpa-picture po daw siya. Dali, picture ta madam. May Tommy din po. Tapos may guest. Pero wala silang ano yung mga Louis Vuitton. Wala po no. Parang meron silang mamahalin dito. Pero hindi, wala silang ano, LV. May pa-jeep sila dyan. Nagbebenta ng wala na, umpanya naman siya. Nagbebenta ng fries. Pwede kayo mag-upo-upo dyan. Ipakita mo sa kanilang news kunan mo, be. Ang new shoes mo. Wow. Look at that, everybody. Nagapangumpanya lagi siya, guys. He's saying hi to everyone, apod. Nasa sale po yung sapatos ni Inatan. Dati siyang 70, ngayon ano na lang 46. The Fashion Factory. Dito na side maganda. Ako mainis, magbili din ako ng sapatos sa New Balance ba. Sasha. Kilala ba itong mga ano na to guys? Na mga brand na to? Super dry. Pupo sila dyan oh. Inom ng coffee. Fossil. Saan yung mag-ama ko? Uy! Sinatan kasi ayaw magpaano ng stroller. Gusto maglakad. Can do it still, mahal? You want to lose weight, right? Wow. Andito si Polo Ralph Lauren. Ganda ng pa-building nila. Michael Kors.
Do you care what you eat?
I don't really care what I eat.
Because you can also go to La Place.
Oh, just La Place na lang. May pa-wok sila dito, pero noodles. Do you want the wok, mahal?
You want to what?
No. May pa-pizza din po. Ang masarap din yun. Tapos lumabas kami. Kaya wala akong nagustuhan na pagkain. May nakita kasi ako na burritos kanina. May pa-art po sila dito. Na isda. It's also nice to go here this time, mahal, because it's not so busy. The last time it was very busy.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Balik tayo dun sa burritos. You want burritos too?
McDo, right?
Calvin Klein. Puma. May Dunkin din po sila dito. Dunkin Donuts. Maganda ng paano nila. Oh. Timberland. Ayun po ang Dunkin. Oh. Katabi ng Esprit. Makain na siya. Binilhan na namin siya ng Happy Meal. Papunta tayo doon ngayon sa burritos. Hi, here's the night.
Because my wife really wants burrito.
Hello! Sure dira, uy! Burritos, everyone. It's salsa time. With all the toppings in the world. Macdo. Ayun ang Macdo mo. Kain, everyone. Kain. Ang isa, oh. Biyaan na muna natin yan siya dyan kay concentrate kami ng tatay niya. Kain guys.
I want to taste this one.
I got the pulled pork. How about yours? So, that's nice.
And the beef.
Kain everyone.
I'm happy with the beef. Kain.
You're happy with the beef. I got the bulgur rice. Si Daniel white rice.
All the toppings.
Yeah, you're right. The beef is nicer. You like it?
It's good.
Yummy.
Let's see.
No. I love it. I like the sauce. What is that?
Beer. For you.
0% alcohol.
It's alcohol-free beer.
My love.
It tastes like a normal beer.
So are you enjoying it now? When we were going in, you didn't buy the shoes yet? You said no. How about now?
Yeah, I'm enjoying right now. After this, it will be boring again.
You won't.
No, I'm enjoying having a nice time with my family.
Sana all eh. May Colombia
Look,
din po
we got
doon.
the sauce.
Oo, kasarap ng sauce nila. Kaya
Chipotle
pinili po
sauce.
namin. Kadami kong na nakain. Dami pa ding natira. Wow, gusto ko to. Ka-cute nito guys. Magkano kaya? Ayan po yung pack-rocks nila dito. Wow! Uy, mahal! Na. What do you want?
There's one thing I want to see.
Tingnan niyo saan siya papasok. Yung pagkamanyakis. Sa mga ganyan, oh. So?
Yeah, I'm looking. Why are you looking at me?
No, I want to see what you are looking. So?
Cannot find it.
What are you looking for?
Something like this, but a little different.
Grabe ang mister ko, no? Boss. You want that? Suit. Punta tayo doon sa, sa may boat. May pa-boat po sila dito. Mahal, can we buy Dunkin Donut, mahal, for at home, my love? Sarado niya ng pinto, oh.
Let's not.
Let's not?
Let's not like it.
Why?
Because they had a jacket on sale from 600 for 300.
Dunkin Donut. Mag-ano po tayo take home. Sa kanilang mga pa-flavor po dito. Wala talaga silang Bavarian, guys. Nag-order ako ng matcha. Tapos ito kay Nathan. At isa pa, yung KitKat ata ang in-order ko. Dami nilang Dunkin dito. Punta tayo doon sa pa-boat po nila.
Dunkin Donuts, that's not so busy.
Yeah. And more bigger.
So,
Kalayo man dahil sa boat, guys. Kapoy man lakad, guys.
where do you want to go?
Then na lang with the face. You see that art, guys? Katakot naman yan, uy. So, are we going home now?
Sure.
Or you want to see the boat pa?
If you want to see the boat, you can do that.
You want to see the boat?
Nah, but we can go there. It's nice for the vlog.
O, then let's go there.
You want us to take a picture? Maha, can you be with him?
Sure, babae, may nagplapit kay mister. Okay, ipa-picture pala siya, guys. Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
Because I have my baby boy.
You're not allowed to smile there, ah?
That's why.
Did you touch her hand?
No, only her phone.
Punta tayo sa boat. Puntahan na lang natin yung boat guys. Kaya nandito naman tayo. Last time hindi din po namin yun na puntahan nung nandito po tayo. No? Ano to? Entry of the Patabyaland. Museum po yun siya ng mga boat. Ewan, may kwento kasi ang boat na yan eh. Tanungin natin si Daniel. The boat. So what's the story behind the boat, Mahal? Do you know this boat?
It's a boat.
Let's read something.
Made of wood.
Let's read something there.
Rope.
Dali na ba?
The iron nails.
Dali na. The Golden Age. Oh, it's the Golden Age boat daw. Golden Age.
Okay. It's a golden age boat. Made from wood.
Are we allowed to go inside?
And it has some paint.
Gara man si Daniel eh. Meron pa silang mga paboat dito.
What?
There also.
That's the dry dock
What is dry dock?
where they build the boat. And that's not on the water.
Okay.
Hey, okay, don't need.
Okay na. Uwi na tayo guys. Nakagala na po tayo. Mag-grocery muna kami. Kasi may trabaho na po to bukas si Daniel. Binili namin ng chocolate po si Oma. Si Oma. Yung 1 kilo. Binili namin yun para sa kanya. Kaya paborito niya po talaga yan na brand na chocolate. Ang donut na nabili natin. Kinain na ni Nathan yung kanya. Ito po yung nabiling sapatos ni Daniel. Bumili siya ng pang-walking shoes. Gusto niya po yan ng Skechers kasi very comfy ba. Simula nung binilhan ko siya ng Skechers, hanggang ngayon yan na po talaga ang brand na ginagamit niya. Right, Mahal? You like the Skechers now?
Yeah, I like the Skechers now.
At meron siyang pang-trabaho. Oh, ba't Bilya?
Yes.
Wish for Papa. Kainin mo na yung ano mo dyan. Donut mo. Absent mo na siguro ako bukas, guys. Grabe na, Jude. Grabe na, Jude. Ha? I'm telling them that I will not vlog tomorrow. Because then I can clean the house. My husband is also tired.
Tired.
Kalayo kaya nun. 1 hour. 1 hour papunta, 1 hour na naman pabalik. So, 2 hours ang drive.
Cheers.
Sige daw, my love. Try daw the... Which one is that? I thought it's matcha.
No, pistache.
Ah, pistache.
The pistachio nut.
Kit Kat. How about the pistache?
It's okay. It's nice.
No. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Maglinis ako. Linis muna ako. Bala yung mga kaisbuhay nyo dyan. Ah! Kaya, parang walang nangyari, oh. Ah, okay na. Hindi na tayo magchika ulit. So, baka hindi tayo maka-absent bukas. Kaya na okay man siya. Nabuhayan ako ba? Ang ating kamuti, hindi ko pa rin po siya naluto. At ito, bigay ni Pinoy Double Dutch. Yung kakita po nating Pinay kahapon. Saan natin ito, be? Ayan. Nagbigay po siya ng chocolates. At ito naman yung binili namin para kayo. Tingnan nyo. 1.2 kilos na chocolate. Ito talaga ang paborito niya, guys. Yan. Bigay natin yan kay Oma, no? Ewan na lang. Ibig walang diabetes si Oma. Ma-diabetic na hinuon. Because my husband says that if he is old, what were you saying about the chocolate? If you are...
He said that if I am old and alone, but I still have grandchildren, then I would really like it if they come visit me and they give me something nice.
Yeah.
Would make me happy. So if I am thinking that makes me happy, then why not do that for someone else too?
Yeah. But Mahal, Oma doesn't have diabetic, Mahal. It's not diabetic. But the 1.2 kilograms of chocolate will make her diabetic, Mahal.
She eats that already every day.
Every day talaga. Ang isa dito busy sa kanyang Prutas. Is that lekker? Wat heb je daar? Zeg maar. Wat heeft Nathan daar? Mandarijn en? En? Rauwen, good so. Mag-prepare na tayo ng pang-dinner guys. Kaya ang anak ko, nagsabi na siya na ikep hunger mama. Gutom na po daw siya. Kaya po ako nagsaing na kanina para i-garlic rice. Kasi ang plano namin for dinner is Pinoy breakfast. Kaya meron tayong pork tocino. Pinapili ko po si Daniel kung pork tocino or Cebu longganisa. Ito ang pinili niya. Magluto na din ako ng egg at gagawa ako ng salad. Pipino salad. Nagtanong pala guys kung paano daw ako gumawa nung sinangag ko na may turmeric powder. Super simple lang. As in. Pero grabe kasarap. Turmeric powder. Tama lang din po ang ilagay nyo na turmeric. Siyempre baka sobrang dami no. Tama lang ba? Tingnan nyo. Lilo lang siya ng konti. And the rice. Kasi kung gawin mo muna yung rice, tapos ilagay nyo po yung turmeric, pangit ang niya, labas niya. Ang mga powder kaya magdikit sa rice. So, to taste. Wow! Look at the plating, everyone. Hindi na, magkain na. Wait lang. I-prepare ni mama ano mo, tocino. What is it? Tocino.
Tocino.
So, ilan o 8 tan? Ititin ko na yung tocino niya. Even Baxter, ako ka na. Diyan si Papa magkain, oh. Be careful with the egg, my love, please.
Yeah, I'm using the spoon you gave me.
Yeah.
The other spoon.
Yummy?
Nice. Dinner that's not too big because we had a very big lunch.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ayun lang. Takunin kita na ano. Wait lang ha.
Kain.
Did you enjoy our day today? I did. Good so. Later Nathan?
Sabaw.
Sabaw? Wala tayong sabaw.
Sabaw.
Walang sabaw. Kung mabila?
Bubub mo.
Kung
Pregnant. Because you are pregnant, Mama, my belly is getting big.